Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 689 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, MoneyGram has partnered with the Stellar Development Foundation. Bitfarms has signed contracts for a production facility in Argentina, and Argo Blockchain has shared an operational update for the month of September. Just before we get into the news, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which are going to bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. All right, so global digital P2P payments giant MoneyGram International Inc., trading on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol MGI, has announced a partnership with the Stellar Development Foundation. This is described in the press release as a nonprofit organization that supports the development and growth of Stellar, an open-source public blockchain that allows money to be tokenized and transferred anywhere in the world. The partnership will see integration of the Stellar blockchain facilitated through Circle's USD coin with MoneyGram's network, allowing cash funding and payout in local currency for consumers using USD coin, as well as near-instant back-end settlement capabilities. Alex Holmes, MoneyGram's chairman and CEO, said, quote, "At MoneyGram, one of our top strategic priorities is to pioneer cross-border payment innovation and blockchain-enabled settlement, and we're thrilled to now work with the Stellar Development Foundation to further our efforts. As crypto and digital currencies rise in prominence, we're especially optimistic about the potential of stablecoins as a method to streamline cross-border payments. Given our expertise in global payments, blockchain, and compliance, we are extremely well positioned to continue to be the leader in building bridges to connect digital currencies with local fiat currencies." End quote. Moving along, Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq as BITF, has signed engineering, procurement, and construction contracts and commenced construction of a production facility in Argentina. Emiliano Grodsky, the CEO of Bitfarms, explains, quote, "Our new high production facility in Argentina, which is expected to accommodate over 55,000 miners upon completion, will greatly expand our capacity and global footprint. Combined with the expansion in Quebec, Canada, and our planned build-out in Paraguay, we are positioned to achieve our corporate target of 8 exahash per second by year-end 2022. The Argentina facility is planned to produce Bitcoin using power at the attractive rate of just 2.2 cents US per kilowatt hour, substantially reducing our already low cost of mining Bitcoin. Leveraging our expertise in corporate infrastructure as well as that of our highly respected construction partners is part of our strategy to grow faster and more efficiently by mining Bitcoin with improved profit margins." End quote. Argo Blockchain, which trades on the Nasdaq as ARBK, has shared an operational update for September. During the month, the company mined 165 Bitcoins, or Bitcoin equivalent, making for a total amount mined year-to-date of 1,479 Bitcoins. This amounted to a mining revenue of £5.5 million for the month, or 7.59 million USD, down from £6.83 million, or 9.43 million USD in the month of August. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.